Hey traders, John Howell here. The warning signs have been written all over. I've been writing all over the place, and they still are writing right now the warning signs to not fight the trend. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders. So traders, what happened with the good old market today? Oh, that's right. We went up today. Why is that? I wonder why. So the big thing, guys, is that yes, the warning signs have been writing. The warning signs are written. How do I actually say that properly? Written all over the place, right? And I know that I'm getting so many people getting so much flack about these markets, about how I don't know what I'm talking about and blah, 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 blah. But anyone who's short right now is feeling the pressure, and you're starting to feel doubt. You're starting to feel worried, and you're obviously probably not watching my video, or maybe you are watching my video to see if I'm going to talk about the stock market crashing, right? And when that's going to happen, to give you confirmation bias of why you are short right now. Where if you've been watching my videos for the last week, I've been saying, and even yesterday's videos, I've been saying, hey guys, the warning signs are here to not fight the trend. The warning signs are written all over the place to not fight the trend. Do not fight the trend. So what do a lot of people do? They're just still fighting the trend. So and so what's happened with the S&P 500 today? We had a little up bar today, right? A little up bar. And as you can see out through that now, move over now through this. Check this out, guys. So on my community tab, right? I did a video. I did a post two days ago, right? And I said high, low. If we do hold here and break past previous peaks, we could see a 3 to 4% up move. And you can see this is the futures chart here. Futures chart was around 13,300 at the time, 13,300. And I said we're probably going to get to around about that 13,700, right? So that's the futures chart there. Check this out. So this is the futures chart here. This here is the futures chart. So I did the video, or I did that, right? What was that? 3,000, around 3,300. When was that? That was, actually, let's do this here. So it was what? Oh, 13,300 on the futures, right? And so 13,300 on the futures is, where is that? Around about there. Actually, yeah, there you go, there. Right, so 13,300, just looking for that, 13,300. 13,300, where are you? 328, right? So somewhere around about there, right? I was saying that, and also looking at the 4-hour chart as well too, right? So this is the 4-hour chart, around about there. And that's when I actually put up that post a couple of days ago saying, hey guys, if we do break past previous peaks, we're probably likely to get up to the top up here, which is just above that 13,700. And look what happened today. We got to where? We got to right there, which was 13,000. We're like 13,700 is right there. It was almost off that high of where I thought it was going to go there. And this is exactly what I've been talking about with you guys that have been long this market. And as you can see, this is the futures market 2 days ago. And so by looking at the good old markets right now, guys, we're starting to really see these markets really kicking up and really starting to move. We go back to the NASDAQ charts now, and this is the NASDAQ cash chart right now, and we can see we're still breaking up, we're still continuing up. So there's a real big probability now that the NASDAQ's going to continue up to around about that 13,000. And I know a lot of you guys don't want to hear this because you're short. I had one guy recently who's been short in the market the whole year, and he just got out. He's like, oh, I just got out of a break even. Whatever, it was probably a loss. And then now it's like, oh, I'm going to I'm going to short the market again, right? So for you guys that are trading the markets right now, and if you're short markets right now, guys, I've been screaming this the whole time that the trend is your friend until the end, right? Let's just keep it really simple. Your ego and how you think about these markets is literally the wrong way to go about it when it comes to these markets here. Again, low, higher low, and now we're breaking up. So there's a good chance we're going to continue up from here. It may not be every day, but there's a good chance we're going to go for a nice move back up towards the 13,000 on the cash chart on this NASDAQ chart here. Looking at the Dow Jones, and the Dow Jones is still developing this. We haven't actually broken out yet. But the Dow Jones is only about what, 10% from its highs. So the Dow Jones is actually not far from its highs. Now hang on a minute, guys. Hang on a minute. Let's actually a bit of a timeout here. Timeout. Are you telling me that the inflation, banking crisis, interest rates, debt ceiling, all that sort of stuff, and the Dow Jones is only 10% from its highs? Oh my goodness, the economy is so bad, but the Dow Jones only 10% from its highs. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? One of the things, guys, what we need to do, we need to seek truth regardless of appearance, right? Seek truth regardless of appearance. So appearances is that market is so bad, market's going to crash, right? But seek truth. What is the truth? That's the truth, right? Low, high. I know that sounds really simple, guys, but when we don't listen to the markets and we fight the markets, we get pain, right? And now it looks like we're trying to, right now, we're not there yet, but we're trying to start to see this next leg up on the S&P 500. Now let's go have a quick look at the gold market, guys. Gold market is continuing to have a bit of a pullback through here. I do expect a bit more of a pullback out of gold, but then get ready for one of the biggest slingshot patterns we've ever seen when it comes to gold. That's that high point up through there, somewhere around about there, I would say. So this is probably what's going to happen with gold through here, right? We're going to continue going on through here, and then we're probably likely to see this. We're probably likely to see this, and then a break up, and then really are likely to see a bit of a slingshot move over to the silver market as well. And silver market, we're getting a bit of a pullback, but I believe this is going to be short-lived out of the silver market. I believe we're going to get a bit of a high low here. We're right at the top of this channel right now, as you can see. Okay, we're right at the top of that channel there. So low, and then now possible higher low. And so we could be getting ready for what? We could be getting ready for away we go real soon. So maybe a little bit more of a short-term pullback. If we look at the Fibonacci levels for the silver market from there to there, right? The double top rejection is where maybe the double top rejection is basically just a little bit lower. Okay, but yeah, just a little bit lower than that. So around about that 50% level there. So again, this double top rejection is now almost completed. So therefore, we should start to see this thing pick back up and start to see a move back up to the upside. And look at the mining sector as well too. GDXJ, we are in this overall bear flag formation, this movement on the downside. Oh, sorry, bear flag, bull flag situation through here. Okay, we're continuing to be in this situation through here. We're squeezing up, and now we're going through here, guys. I do expect to see this market hold here real soon. We maybe get a bit more of a downside. We may get something like that, and then when we do get the breakout, that's going to create what? We're going to create a low, and then that's going to create a strong higher low in the markets, and then away we go again as well too. So, mining sector, gold mining sector, silver mining sector is actually really weak. Gold mining sector, a little bit more of a pullback. Gold, a little bit more of a pullback. Silver, a little bit more of a pullback. But then in the mix of all that little bit of a pullback, get ready for one of the biggest moves we've ever seen. And especially gold. I believe gold is just really shaping up over the next couple of weeks to have a really big, strong breakout. And I believe it's going to be really big. Hey traders, I want to give you free access to my Mastering the Markets trading course. If you go to johnsfreegift.com, here's what you're going to learn in there. You're going to learn the #1 chart reading and trading technique that's been working since the 1950s. You're going to learn the trading boundaries technique that shows you the best and worst time to place a trade. You're going to learn also about price and time phases so you can understand what's going on right now and also what's to come as well too. My #1 powerful short-term income trading system that gets a 90% success rate, the most powerful trading techniques on the planet, the biggest trading mistakes that's stopping you from making an income. You're going to learn all about the super trader formula, plus the 3 secrets to making a full-time income from trading. So this is what I want you to do right now. Go to johnsfreegift.com. Go there right now. Get free access to this trading course. Go get the help. It's 100% free. Go there right now. Go to johnsfreegift.com right now.